So what did we do? Well, we used the RV, but not to really go that far. I'm probably only about an hour from my house right now. But what we decided to do was to get 6 a.m. reservations to come here to the Abbotsford Tulip Festival. And the idea here was we wanted to get morning light, and the festival's about to end for the season. And so we wanted to get here very, very early, and leaving from our house would have been a little bit more of a burst, and we wanted to have our RV for the day. So we basically picked up the RV yesterday afternoon, went and stayed in a rest area not too far from here, and then got here right at around 5:30 a.m. Now, of course, we have the RV here, so probably at the end of all this, there'll be a nice nap involved. The other thing is we went to the rest area closest to here, and we were squeezed out by the homeless, basically. Basically, the rest areas closest to Vancouver have now become 100% saturated with homeless. So we had no ability to even find a spot. There was technically one space, but it was so sketchy, we were pretty much living in a homeless encampment if we were going to do that. So instead, we drove just on the other side of what they call Chilliwack, which is where we're at right now, to a different rest area that I know is generally quiet. It's managed very differently. And we stayed at that rest area for the night. So we really only were there for probably 5 hours overnight. And then we're here. But basically, this is just another use for the RV, where we're not using it to go on some long trip, some long vacation. We're just using it locally, but it gives us this extra flexibility to have the dogs, to get out the night before, to get here early, to have breakfast before we came in. Now that we're done, we might hang out in the trailer for a little while just to take a break, because we basically got very little sleep overnight. So if you do get a chance, and it's a springtime, think about trying to come to the Abbotsford Tulip Festival. It's absolutely gorgeous. Took some drone shots here. Last day of the season is today. As the year progresses, though, there is sunflowers here, lavender, and other things they plant here that you can come and visit.